So hey guys, this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I do this smoky eye makeup. It's very simple and I think it's perfect for a beginner because I only use like 3 to 4 sets of color. I think it's 3 color, one black and brown and transition color. So yeah, so if you guys wanna know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. So let's start with this color right here. I'm going to use this color as my transition color first. And you guys already know I like warm tone for my transition colors because it goes well with every color basically. So I love to use warm color as my transition color, the first color. So I'm going to place right here and I'm going to create the fake crease line for me. It's like this. Back and forth and circle, back and forth and circle. So first I'm going with this brown and then I'm gonna add a little bit of black. So first ma चाहिँ म brown color लिन्छु किनभने direct black ले गर्यो भने चाहिँ हामीलाई blend गर्न गाह्रो हुन्छ, त्यही भएर पहिला म brown गर्छु अनि त्यसपछि म बिस्तारै build up गर्दै black color थप्छु. So here, so म यहाँ बिचबाट सुरु गर्छु जतासुकैबाट यसरी. So I'm using this small blending brush because यसले चाहिँ हामीलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ अनि धेरै मेसी पनि हुँदैन. ठुलोले हो भने जतासुकै छरि जान्छ अनि मेसी हुन्छ. So त्यसले पनि सानोबाट सुरु गर्ने लाइट कलरबाट. There we go. This is. But if you guys are using black color first, you have to be very careful with the blending because it might look patchy and ramroसँग blend hunदैन, so you have to be very careful. So this is our brown smoky eye. Look at the color, it's very blended, smooth, and you can see the ombre effect here. Like यसमा चाहिँ अलिकति warm tone आएको छ अनि brown हुँदै आएको छ. So now I'm going to add a little bit of black on my eyelid. So now I'm going to take the dark color right here. It's very dark. I'm going to take the same brush and starting from the lid, just like this. So here I'm placing the color first, just like this, all over my lid. And so now whatever left on my brush, I'm going to blend just like this, very light-handed. So make sure तपाईको चाहिँ darkest part भनेको चाहिँ यो तलको सबभन्दा last line हुनुपर्छ, last line को हुनुपर्छ. I mean like परेलाको यो परेलाको जरा हुनुपर्छ अनि त्यसपछि बिस्तारै कलर चाहिँ build up भएको हुनुपर्छ. So we're taking a little bit of concealer here and placing right in the middle just to get that halo effect. So now I'm going to take a little bit of setting spray and I'm going to take this black glitter from the same eyeshadow palette. We are doing this just to highlight our eyelid. So now I'm going to take that same black color and smoke out my lower lash line. So now I'm going to take my small pencil brush and I'm going to take that same transition color and blend it. Blend. So now I'm going to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick and it's in the shade 65 Seductress. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.
पहले कभी न तूने मुझे गम दिया, फिर मुझे क्यों तन्हा कर दिया।